Stay fit even after you turn 40. This is a hot topic because it's not easy. If it were easy, everybody would do it, right?
That's correct, Teresa. After 40, hormonal changes happens, man and woman. But one of the major hormones that changes in woman's body is actually estrogen. As the estrogen levels start dropping, that has a significant impact on the woman's mind and body.
And it's like walking a tightrope, apparently.
Exactly. But one of the major changes that happens actually the weight gain. Not only the weight gain, but Teresa, where the woman gains that weight. In younger age, most of the weight gain is the lower body.
And it shifts to your stomach.
Exactly. After 40s, most of the things moves to upper body. And that's why this is what most women experience after 40s, increase the waist size. This is just not cosmetic issue, Teresa. By having extra belly fat, significantly increased risk of a cardiovascular disease by increasing cholesterol, blood pressure.
And we hear a lot about the risks associated with belly fat.
Absolutely, heart disease is the #1 killer for women. Also, having extra belly fat creates insulin resistance and metabolic syndrome. These are two conditions that increase risk of developing type 2 diabetes fourfold. That's 400%. Teresa, obviously, there is a connection between the breast cancer and extra belly fat. Another thing that happens, Teresa, usually woman's body use estrogen to create feel-good hormones such as dopamine, epinephrine. When the estrogen goes down, those hormones goes down. So the body starts using the sugar to create those hormones.
So you start craving it more.
Exactly, more sugar and more carbohydrate, which contributes more weight gain. But the good news that all these problems actually can be corrected by incorporating healthy nutrition and lifestyle. And it's not really, there is no magic pill or magic diet. Incorporating plenty of fresh fruit, vegetables, whole grain, protein, enjoying well-balanced diet, along with contribution of the regular exercise. This is very critical because after 40s...
You talk about 20 minutes a day.
That's actually a good start. We prefer that go over 20, 40, 45 minutes, but minimum we do recommend at least 30 minutes a day, minimum 5 times a week, and also incorporating some form of strength training because after 40s, we start losing muscle mass, which lowers your metabolism. So by incorporating small nutrition changes and exercise, everybody can enjoy a good mind and body in 40s and 50s, Teresa.
Wonderful. Well, if you have any questions about how to do that and how to make those changes, you can contact Dr. Shayesta at this number. Your first consultation is free, and we also have these segments on our website if you'd like to look at them again. That's foxyoungstown.com. Thanks so much for coming in today.
Thank you for having me, Teresa.
We'll be right back after this.